Hey guys, it's Maria Cadaver here with Cadaver Kitchen. Now, this is a two-part video. In my prior video, I show you how to make traditional miso soup from scratch. Now, in this video, we're going to take that miso soup and we are going to make an epic ramen. Oh yeah, you heard me, girl. That's right. I said epic ramen. I am getting kind of bored with just basic top ramen, and I love ramen. And I also like going out to restaurants and getting epic ramen. But I want it at home. Don't you want it at home? I mean, I know I do. So let's be all special, and we're gonna make some together. Without further ado, here is how you make an epic ramen soup from home. Super, super easy. First thing, the noodles. These are dried ramen noodles. I've got a fish sausage. My fabulous pickled eggs. Japanese shoyu, I can never pronounce it. Anyway, this is a separate video. Totally a must-have. Makes a huge difference. I've got some chives. These aren't drugs. It's not drugs. These are field garlic that I foraged for in the forest. And I'm cheating. Shrimp tempura. Let's boil some new. Oh, I burped. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I burped. That's not pretty. Boiling the noodles. Boiling the noodles. I'm making 3 portions. So we'll throw in some extras. Barky bark bark. Doggies bark bark. Doggies bark bark. Into the oven. Ah, it's hot. I walked away. It just fish sausage. Fish sausage. I have froze. Sorry. Open. Sausage, 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 sausage. Tan, you shall go tan. The fang, fang, little fang, little fang. Doggies like fish sausage. Oh man, I just dropped my flipping chopsticks. Oh, that looks so good. Oh. Another fabulous video to watch. I made Asian-inspired jerky. So stinking tasty. Anyway, one of the things I like to do is cut this up and put it into my ramen or my miso. The meat will rehydrate in the soup. It's excellent flavor boost addition to your ramen. Makes it a little bit more fancy and specials, not so boring ramen. Dude, you can, oh, I'm over boiling. Oh boy, no! Oh, my ramen. Oh, shit. Okay, we're okay now. We're okay. Sorry about that. You could totally take your top ramen, basic ramen, and just add some jerky and some hard-boiled eggs, and it's so fancy suddenly. Anyway, this stuff it's a good addition. Okay. Woo! Okay. Noodles are ready. Time to drain the noodles. Noodle drainage. Very tempting to keep all the noodles for yourself, but I'm gonna split them up. Oh crap. I'm making a mess. It's time to build the ramen. So I got an assortment of stuff going on here. You don't need exactly what I have. You do you. You do you. All right, gonna add the miso. You can see that wakame has really stiffened up, or really gotten bigger, whatever the word is. I word good. Time to make it look pretty. See, ramen egg. Oh, that's hot. Don't burn your fingers. Don't burn your fingers. Some fish sausage. Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy. I'm gonna do some of my jerky. A little bit right there. Oh yeah. Oh no! Don't go anywhere. Bad. And then some of the tempura. Oh my God. Doesn't this look amazing? Something you get out of a restaurant. At home, guys. I did this at home. You too can do this at home. Oh wait. A little bit of the field garlic. To make it look all pretty. Make it look all pretty. Okay, there. I did this at home, guys. You can do this at home too. You can have really nice ramen. You can do this with top ramen. You can do it. I believes in you. Okay, it's taste test time. Bowls are a little toasty. We're holding them with towels. Drew's going for the broth.
Yeah, let's try this broth. This is some miso.
This is made from scratch miso.
Oh, okay.
Which isn't that hard. Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh, that did come out good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. The jerky.
Yeah.
Well, it's really good too. Noodles.
Oh yeah.
I need some noodles.
And this is that fish sausage.
Yeah, isn't that fun? And the pickled ramen eggs.
Did you make a video for that yet?
The fish sausage?
No, the ramen.
Oh
eggs.
yeah, I did.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like this. This jerky in here is really good.
I saw that somewhere. I don't know. Fancy restaurant quality ramen at home.
Definitely.
Alright. As always, it's Marie Cadaver. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Love you, my pretties. Bye-bye.